What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Man, I was gonna start the vlog outside, but it is hot as a motherfucker outside. Anyways, if y'all watched last video, y'all already know we started with the trunk setup on the car. I actually went out and took everything apart because, like I told y'all, we were missing a couple of things, and I actually went and got some fabric that matches the front seats. So I'm gonna show y'all that once I go outside. So we're gonna end up wrapping the box. If you watched the next video, like I said, y'all probably noticed that I painted the box black for, it was, you know, something I wanted to do just because I didn't want to leave it all black, stuff like that. But we got the fabric. I'm missing the LEDs, so I'm not gonna do the LEDs yet. I'm just gonna end up wrapping the thingy, getting everything ready, making it look nice, and then later on I'll add the LEDs. But for now, we're gonna go outside. Like I mentioned, I already took everything out, so I'm actually gonna be cutting the top part where the acrylic goes on, and we're gonna go from there. So let's go outside. I'm gonna show you what exactly we're gonna do. All right, so like I said, we took everything off. We took the box off. I got the compressors on the side. I actually went and grabbed some white vinyl that matches the seats. So we're gonna actually be doing the doors, the back doors and stuff like that in another video. And we also got a little surprise coming soon. So, but let me wrap this box real quick. Man, I was getting a little headache. I was kind of confused. I said, fuck it. And Edgar pulled up. So he helping me out. We're going to get some cuts with it. He got a better idea than what I have planned. So we're going to try it. We're going to do it his way.
Alright, so for people that don't know, right? Fabric adhesive. People just, when they put the fabric, they spray it, and as soon as they spray it, they put it in. You gotta give it a couple seconds. So, I'm gonna show you how it's done, right?
Well, just for, you gotta use, you know what I mean?
You gotta make sure you put it like a nice little coat.
That's how it's supposed to be.
It don't look like much, right? But when you put it in there, you gotta make sure that it starts doing the little hairs. Once it starts doing the little hairs, that's how you know it's ready. A lot of people just spray and they just lay it. Alright, ready? Alright, I'm gonna give you a little demo, right?
That thing looks good.
Just so y'all see how. So some people, right? They just spray it, and as soon as they spray it, it don't do nothing. You gotta give it a couple seconds until it start doing the little hairs. It start getting harder and harder.
Pause.
You gotta let it sit for a little bit, and then you lay the fabric. Once it start doing this, that's when you lay the fabric. That's how you know. But when it's wet, don't do it. You gotta wait until it's dry. Look.
Alright guys, so we ended up just doing it the way matter of fact, it wasn't even none of the ways that we had planned. So we ended up changing the whole entire thing and just basically cut it everything and do everything all piece by piece. So this is what we got. Don't look at the outside, it don't really matter. What's important is this out right here. Looks pretty good. You know. Yeah, I still gotta cut the little holes for all the lines and stuff.
Like this.
Got the boom there, you know. But like,
All the lines will go.
we about to put everything in the car now. And then we gotta cut the top layer part. So actually, I make the bracket so I can add the manifold a little bit, sticking up a little bit. So let me build that bracket, get everything situated, get everything placed up. And once it's time to cut the actual board, I'm gonna get back with you guys. Cause I actually gotta, once I cut, I gotta wrap it too. And we're not gonna do the lights today, because as y'all can see, it's getting a little late already. So I just want to hurry up and get the board cut and wrap. Once everything's talking here, once everything's wrapped, then we're gonna go. I might just do the lights later. I'm not even too worried about it. It's the weekend, and I actually want to drive my car with the music, so I'm just trying to hurry up and get this situated. So let me do this real quick. All right, guys. So it's actually the next day. Yesterday it got dark, and I just didn't feel like recording. I was tired because I got out of work and started working on the car. But today I woke up, and I was gonna work on the car to finish up the actual trunk setup, and it's raining. But it's supposedly gonna stop like within an hour, so I actually gotta go rescue Edgar because this nigga got a flat. So I'm gonna head over there, help him out real quick, and hopefully by the time we come back, everything should be dried up and it's not raining no more. So that way we can finish up this trunk. So, all right. See, we just made it here too, where this nigga at. See where he at. You see his car? Oh, there he is. Man's came to the pool today and it's raining. My man's trying to get double wet. Pause. He in the car? He in that joint? Where you at? This car's right there. But he didn't even tell me which wheels messed up. Let me give him a call real quick. My man's. It's raining. What the hell are you doing in the pool?
Somebody ain't check the weather. Look at look the zoom right.
And wet. How the hell did you even get that straight in there?
I don't know. I think it was at the entrance.
Damn. I thought it was gonna be flat, but it's not that flat.
No, it's sitting on the tire.
I guess decided to come to the pool in the freaking rain, like, and I got suede shoes on. The fuck, nigga? What's wrong with your car?
When I air out, the exhaust, it sits on the exhaust, so it opens
The flex
where
pipe?
the flex pipe is there.
Damn. Alright, let me help this
Yeah,
nigga
you
out.
don't hear it no more?
Let me help this nigga out real quick. Look at this shit. I know he said he had a piece of metal. I ain't think it was gonna be this shit. The fuck is this? Let me see if I got a pliers so I can remove it. Hold up. Let me see. That's sharp. Nope. I got a hammer. See if it comes out. Let's see.
Nah, it's not. But not. Oh yeah. Oh my.
Damn.
Oh my god, bro. What is this?
What the hell was that? Nigga, how the hell?
I'm telling you, I don't know.
Keep it as a souvenir.
Oh.
Alright, we got the stock on right now. Film about to be tight as shit with
So
stocks.
JB will work.
JB Will?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I just got home. I changed up because I ain't trying to ruin all my clothes. But back to what we finished up yesterday. This is how the box looked. I'm currently taking this off. Little plate so I can flip it around. All right, now it looks much better. But yeah, so I got this joint right here. I marked down the holes. Oh, marked down the thingy. So now I'm about to actually get the drill 4 holes, one in each corner, and then we're gonna go with the I forgot what the machine is called, just to cut the wood cutter thingy and cut around it. And then we're gonna wrap it. All right, let me get this, because I was thinking about, right, I was just gonna do the whole box, but it's gonna be a little simple. So I want to do like a little design where to make it look nice. So let me figure out how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do the cut, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. To be honest with you, I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. So I finally got an idea how I'm gonna do it. Took me a little while to figure this out. I ain't too good with math, so, or anything, whatever you want to call it, math, origami, whatever it is. So we got, this is what we got.
What the fuck's that? What the fuck is that?
Right. So it's supposed to be a triangle here. It's gonna be 4 triangles. One here, here. I'm hoping y'all can see the vision of what I got. If not, stay tuned. Keep watching until we finish it up. So, and I'm about to drill the holes and start cutting the triangles. If it don't look good, then I'm just end up cutting everything. But yeah, let's start cutting. All right. It's not perfect, I know, but wait until we're finished. I gotta fix a couple of the lines. I gotta staple some of these woods back up, and thingy. But y'all can kind of get the idea of what we're talking. Matter of fact, let me just take it to the car. Give me a second. Cool. So I gotta I'm actually gonna move the compressors to the side a little bit and move the management up. Yeah, but y'all get the idea of what I mean, right? All right, guys, we're finally done. It looks good. It doesn't look perfect because at the end of the day, y'all already know. Y'all watch my videos, y'all should know I really don't care about perfection. As long as it looks good, that's all that matters. I'm about to show y'all. That's how it looks. I gotta move that up a little bit, but I'm gonna do that one side, add all the LEDs and stuff like that. But for now, it looks good. I just gotta build. I want to see if I could build like a box around here, and then another box to cover everything over there, and then something with the middle. But for now, it looks good. I don't really care. You already know. Something simple, not too crazy, and it was cheap, so why not? But that concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.